Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to unbox and put on the new iPhone 11 Pro Max smart battery case. Now the case has a total milliamp hour of 2,860. So according to Apple on the website, it should give you 50% more battery life. Of course, your mileage may vary, depending if you're talking, watching videos, streaming music, doing whatever, but I'm looking forward to trying this out and seeing how it works. So let's just get into it. So there's a little arrow back here that you'll pull. Undo this. Okay. No, I undid that. Okay, there, it slides right out. Okay, once I undid that little arrow piece, then the case slides right out. All right, we're doing this together, so I'm learning at the same time you are. So here's the case. Take that out. That is in there pretty good. Let's hold on to it. Okay. Okay, hold on a second. I got to pull back and see what is holding this case in here. Let's see. All right, sorry about that. I had to pull back. So now you'll, avoid this mistake that I was making. Okay, the case is in here. And get that out of here. I'll let you know what was holding on. See, there's like a lip around it. Let me get in there. So that was where I was having a little bit of a struggle getting it out. Let me go in closer. There's a lip right there. So what it was, if you look inside the box, there's this sturdy piece of like paper, cardboard, whatever you want to call it. So the lip was just tightly around that, so it was hard to kind of pull it out. So you just have to give it a good firm yank and it'll pop right out. So you won't damage the case or anything. There's nothing really in there, holding it in there, like glued in tight. So I was just a little bit worried. I didn't want to pull it too hard and damage it, but you won't do that. It's just this piece of paper holding it. All right, let's see what else is going on here. So we have the how to put the phone in the case instructions. And let's see what else is in here. Okay, that's just what was holding the case in, like I said. And here is the instruction manual and guide and other information. Okay. And here is our smart battery case. Okay. Nice material inside to help protect the phone in case of a drop. Kind of feels almost like a cheap felt material, something like that. Not really, yeah, kind of feltish, like almost like a really cheap felt. The case itself feels pretty grippy. It's plasticky, but it has like a weird kind of like a texture to it. Not like a slippery plastic. It almost has like there's something baked into it to make it grippy. But all right, anyway, let's get the phone in. I think this is going to be a really good case though for protection and holding it. And I like that the bump. Now it looks really pronounced, but I can tell you holding it right now in the hand, no problem at all. It doesn't really feel that bulky. It doesn't feel that awkward. So let's slide this thing in. So there is my lightning port. So we'll just follow the guide right here. Peel back. Let's guide it in. And okay, we got it in, and we got our smart battery case on. All right. Charging up. See that right there? See how this feels. Oh, I like this. I like the way this feels. Okay, let's try the volume keys. Works really easy, no problems. Okay, there's the power on and off. Easy, no problems. Let me pull back and open the phone. And there is the quick access to the battery. I'm sorry, the camera in case the case is off, the phone is off. So let's give that a try. Let's power it off. And then let's double tap see if we open the camera. Let's see. Tap it once, or is it twice? Okay, there it is, just a little bit of a long press, and boom, you're right into the camera. So let's try that again. Phone off. There's the button right there on the side. Let's press and hold. Camera opens right up. Really, really nice. I gotta say, I like this case a lot already. Just opening it right now and using it. Feels really nice. See how the protection, if this thing hits the ground, just to give enough, raised up enough. Let's see. That is tough. Hold on, I gotta pull back another second. I wanna see how much protection is this thing gonna offer if this thing smacks into the ground. Let's see, let's both take a look at this together. Okay. Because for me, one of the biggest things, you know, obviously you have a case on, it's impact protection. So it's hard to really get a look at this. It doesn't have that much of lip. That's one of the things I am concerned about, I'll be honest, is trying to show you guys the lip. It is there. There is a raise between the screen and the edge of the case. It's not really that big though. I'd say, that's not even 1/8 of an inch. Geez, that's not very much, because I'll show you. Let's pretend this is the ground. You drop the phone face down, and unless you fall on some piece of, you know, ground that's really perfectly flat, you know, it's a good chance you're going to hit that screen. That's got me a little bit concerned, I'll be honest. But yeah, I'm going to try it out anyways. And let's see how easy is it to get to the mute switch. See that? Okay. Now getting to the mute switch, I'll try that again. If you have big fingers, that can be a little bit of an issue because this opening is kind of like hard to get into with the finger. So that could be an issue. Keep that in mind, that opening right there is not that big, so it's a little bit of a pain to get in and out of there and flip the switch. I mean, I don't have the biggest hands, but, you know, if you have big fingers, that could be a little bit of a problem. But let's see what else. That's it. There's your camera, the lenses. That's how it's going to look. There's your lightning port, speaker cutout. Yeah, I have to say though, like on the whole, it feels really good. Let's see how much battery we got. Let me see how you figure. Hold on a second. Then I'll show you how you can check your battery life. Where is the, see where the battery widget is. Okay, there it is. So what you want to do, so you're at your home screen, you'll swipe over to your widgets, and there it is right there. Smart battery case has 8% battery life left. Okay, so I'll need to charge that up. But yeah, on the whole, I gotta say I really like the case. I think it's, you know, pretty cool design. I think it looks pretty good. It does have some bulk to it, I gotta say that, so you will notice it. Okay, even over, so they say like my OtterBox case, OtterBox Defender, you'll feel the weight of the battery. But to me, I think it's going to be worth it, you know, because I use my phone a lot, especially if you're going on a trip or something. That extra battery life is going to come in really, really handy. Okay. Like I said, the only thing though, I'm going to, you know, say right up front, the two concerns I have is the actual impact protection, because again, this lip is not really that high. So a good hit to the ground, like I said, unless you're going on perfectly level ground, I am afraid that this will easily hit the screen. And the mute switch right there is a little bit difficult to get to, depending on the size of your fingers. So I recommend before you get this case, you go and try it out at the store. Okay, but that's it. And any questions about it, comments down below, Twitter, email, and I will be getting back to how the battery life is, once I get the case all fully charged up, how long I can go between charges. And all right, that's it. And oh my gosh, I've been rambling on for like 10 minutes, but all right. Thanks for watching. Any questions, let me know, and I will be getting back in a few days, let you know how the battery life is with this new case. Okay, talk to y'all later.